Good evening, students. Again, I'm back with some more videos regarding Cubase 64. So before we start it, I'll open Cubase 64 and today I'm going to tell you how to draw figures using draw command. Look students, this is called a direction star. To draw a star, to draw some figures, U is for up, D is for down, R is for the right direction, L is for the left direction, E diagonally up, right side, F diagonally down, right side, G diagonally down, left side, and H diagonally up, left side. So the students, same the command. Look here. I want to draw a triangle. CLS screen 7, draw E30. So the cursor will move 30 steps E upward, then F30 it will move F downward, and it will L60 it will move like this. So it will draw this. From here it will move with the F direction, and from here it will move to the L direction. It will draw this. Let's see. Copy and paste. Press function key F5 to run the program. Dear students, is it clear? We have drawn a triangle. Now we want to draw one more triangle from the center of this. From here with a big triangle than this one. So what to do? So what the center of this is? Let's see. The center of this is L is 30. So we have to move back. So again we have to write draw inverted comma. We can write it like this also, R30 inverted commas close. Then down. Over here we come to this direction. So draw. We can write this again like this, G50 semicolon. We will move this side. We will move this. We have drawn this. Now we have to move this side. So R, it should be double. R100 semicolon, and upward it will be H, H50 inverted comma close. We can give all these three commands at one time or separately like this. Let's see. We'll copy it. Copy QBasic. Function key F5. Let's see. Oh wow, is it clear? I hope you can understand it. You can draw any of the figure with this star, with this figure, using this figure. Students, I hope you must understand it. All the best for exams. So dear students, do your best, give your best. May the God bless you a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.